this is the first order linear differential equation, and also given the initial condition for this equation. First of all, we can write this equation as dy by dx equal to x cube into 1 minus y. Okay, now if we multiplying by dx in both sides, dy by dx into dx equal to x cube into 1 minus y into dx. Here dx and dx is cancel out, so the equation becomes dy equal to x cube into 1 minus y into dx. Now if multiplying by 1 minus y in both sides, the equation becomes 1 by 1 minus y into x cube 1 minus y into dx. Here 1 minus y and 1 minus y is cancel out, so the equation becomes 1 by 1 minus y into dy equal to x cube into dx. Okay, here the both variables, x variables and y variable, is separate from each others. Now next step is integrating both sides. So integration 1 by 1 minus y into y equal to integration x cube into dx. Okay, as we know, 1 by the 1 plus ay with respect to dx, integrate, then the solution becomes ln a ln absolute 1 plus ay. Okay, so using these solutions we can write this integration ln absolute 1 minus y. Here the coefficient of y is minus 1, so, and here is coefficient of y is 1, sorry, a, so a is come out from here, so we can also write a minus 1 is here, so is equal to, and also we note if we integrate x to power n into dx, then the solution becomes x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay, using this solution we can write x to power n, here is a 3, so 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1, and we take a arbitrary constant names as c1. Okay, now simplify, minus 1 ln absolute 1 minus y equal to x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c, and if we multiplying by minus 1 in both sides, then minus 1 into minus 1 ln 1 minus y equal to minus x to the power 4 by 4 plus c, c1. Okay, here minus 1 and minus 1 cancel out, so equation becomes ln absolute 1 minus y equal to minus x to the power 4 upon 4 minus c1. Here c1 is an arbitrary constant, so the sign of minus, we can also write a c of minus 1 is equal to next constant c2, let's assume, so we can write as ln absolute 1 minus y equal to minus x to the power 4 upon 4 plus c2. Okay, if we have ln y equal to x, okay, so we can write y is equal to e to the power x. Using this technique we can write as 1 minus y equal to e to the power minus x to the power 4 by 4 plus c2. Okay, we have 1 minus y equal to e to the power minus x to the power 4 by 4 plus C2. Okay, as we know, if e to power a plus c, then we can do, as we know, e to power a plus b, then we can write as a to e to power a into e to power b. Using this from technique, we can write as 1 minus y equal to e to the power minus x to the power 4 upon 4 into e to the power c2. Now let's take another constant in place of the whole these terms, names as c3. Okay, so we can write this equation 1 minus y is equal to e to the power minus x to the power 4 by 4 into c3. Okay, so arrange this equation 1 minus y c3 e to the power minus 4 by 4. 1 is moved from left to right, so minus y equal to minus 1 plus c3 e to the power x to the power 4 by 4. Now multiplying by minus 1 in both sides, then the equation becomes minus 1 plus c3 e to the power minus 4 by 4. Minus 1 and minus 1 cancel out, so y equal to minus 1 and minus 1 is multiplying, so plus 1 plus minus c3 e to the power x to the power 4 minus 4 by 4. Okay, now we can assume as whole e to the power c3 as c4. Okay, so we can write this equation y equal to 1 plus c4 into e to the power minus x to the power 4 by 4. So we can also write as y equal to c4 plus e to the power minus x4 by 4. We can also write this equation y equal to c4 into e to the power minus x4 by 4 plus 1. Now this is a general solution of this differential equation, and also given initial condition for this equation. Okay, y of 0 is equal to c3. Here the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 3. So put this value in this equation. So equation becomes y, put place of y, here y, we can write upper this solution y of c4 e to the power x to the power 4 by 4 plus 1. So put y is equal to 3 equal c4 e to the power, the value of x is 0, so e to the power minus 0 plus 1, 3 equal to c4, and we know that e to the power 0 is equal to 1, so into 1 plus c, 3 equal to c4 plus 1, so c4 equal to 2. Now put this value c4 in this equation. Okay, so equation becomes y equal to c4 here is comma 2 into e to the power minus x4 by 4 plus 1. This is a particular solution.